Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will learn about drawing polygons. A polygon is a single object having many sides ranging from 3 to 1024. In AutoCAD, you can create regular polygons having sides with equal length. There are different methods, so let's see them one by one. Let's turn off the grid and start by selecting polygon right under the drop-down menu of rectangle. Here you can see we have different options. First, we have to assign the total number of sides. Then we can use the edge. In this way, we give the distance of one side. For instance, I have provided this value, and all the values of this polygon will be of that specific length. Next, I will choose center instead of edge. Then it will ask for inscribed or the other options. I have chosen inscribed. So we get this type of polygon. Again, let's take the same center like this, and this time I have not chosen the inscribed option. And with the same value, we get three different type of polygons. The first one was with the reference to edges, and the other two were from the reference of center point, but they were inscribed or described. Two different types. So this was all about the polygons. See you in next session. Till then, take care.